Get ready, Apple fans, the first foldable iPhone could finally land next year, but it won't be perfect just yet. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. According to top tipster digital chat station, Apple is still wrestling with technical challenges as it tries to create a folding screen that opens completely flat without the crease marks that plague other foldables like Samsung's Galaxy Z Trifold. While current foldable phones work fine, those tiny lines where the hinge folds can ruin the sleek, seamless look Apple loves, and it isn't willing to settle for anything less than perfection. Rumors suggest Apple is testing ultra-thin flexible glass to get that flawless, crease-free display. If all goes right, the foldable iPhone could make its debut next September, joining a hectic year for Apple's smartphone lineup. The iPhone 18 Pro may arrive on schedule in September, while the standard iPhone 18 could be delayed until March 2027. Add a foldable to the mix and Apple is entering a new territory. Not only this, the device could feature an under-display camera as well, which means no notch or cut on the screen for the first time for Apple. What it will be called remains a mystery. iPhone Fold seems like the obvious choice, but Apple is known for thinking bigger. With engineers pushing the boundaries of folding technology, next year could finally see the iPhone take a huge leap forward in design. But fans may have to wait a little longer for that perfectly flat fold. Apple is betting big on style and innovation this time. Do you think Apple can perfect this no-crease dream? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.